Hey guys, I just want to follow up from yesterday. So talking about the used products that we sell on Amazon, and these are products that customer returns, come back to us, and then we'll check them, just take the best ones and the most expensive ones, and then we'll prep them for use, do a condition note, take some photos, just wrap them and send them back into Amazon. If we don't wrap them, we find that Amazon will see they're damaged because the boxes are damaged on a lot, and they'll send them back to us again, or they'll go into stranded. So we just wrap them, send them in. And you'll see here, I'll show you on Seller Toolkit that we still make profit on a lot of these products. Some of them we're going to make a break even, some we're going to make a slight loss, but as long as we get more money back than it cost us in Amazon fees, we just want to get rid of these products. So we'll send them in after 30 days, we'll start repricing down manually every week, €1 every single week until these products are gone, because we just want them gone. Otherwise we end up with a mountain of products there. I'll show you now. And if you want to know some more about this, I've got a whole video on this on YouTube, so it goes into full detail exactly how I do this, making money out of customer returns basically. So yeah, check that out. Click on the link in my profile, you go to YouTube and then check out the channel there. All right, thanks. Any questions, let me know. Okay, this is Seller Toolkit. So basically all these products, we mark them as COL0 and then the number. So this is number 79. I only started doing this about 4 months ago, I think. So then what I can do on Seller Toolkit, I can filter all of the used or collectible products by COL0. So you'll see here these products, and let me just show you over this side. This is basically what they're making. So this one come out at very slight, basically break even. That's okay. This one still come out at a profit. It's difficult to show you all in one go because you're not going to be able to see anything. But these are all products that we've sold new before. And then we'll get, this one still makes a profit. As you see, this one made a really nice profit, which was a Nerf gun. I bought these about a year ago or more, sold them new, and then they sold €125, and that's used. But basically the box was just damaged, but we can't sell them as new. So it still made a nice profit on that. Amazon made another chunk of fees. So, but that's just the way it is. Like this one, that still made 10 profit. That was this one, this product here. Patrulla Canina, which is Paw Patrol in English. But you see, look, all of these are sold. And if a product comes back again, like this one, this is a removal because we've sold it, sold it new, come back, the box was damaged. The product's still new inside, but the box is all damaged. Sold it again, but some people just don't get it. They just, buy the cheapest one. They don't realize it's used and they're sending it back again. So if this comes back again and there's another reason for it coming back, like, now they've taken the doll out of the box, then obviously that just ends up going in the bin or give it away. But you see, still make profit on a lot of these, right? This one that made €7 loss on that one. Okay, this is, I made a €7 loss, but why is it done? Oh, that's a refund. So that's another one that's come back. So I'm not gonna send that one back in again as used. So that's okay. This one here, sold these products, a pair of shoes. Original cost was €50. So look, made a €1 loss selling it the second time around, right? So basically we, pretty much get our money back on that one. So happy days with that one. Sorry, I'm moving about, but otherwise I can't show you what the products are. But you get the idea, right? So I'll cut it there, it's a bit of a long video. I'll stop it there for you. But you can see, look, selling these products as used. I mean, this one's made a bit of a loss. Amazon fees there were 12, but really it's fine because look, this cost me €40. So after Amazon fees, what we're getting back, if I take off €12 off €35, we're talking 23 euros, right? So I get 23 euros back. Although I make a loss on it, that's okay, right? This one is Playmobil ones. No, it's not, it's this one here, this Star Wars. So yeah, although I make a loss on it, that's fine because otherwise it's just going to sit on the shelf or end up going in the bin. So I get 23 euros back in cash to play with, to spend on the next product. So hopefully it makes sense. Any questions, let me know.